Okay, so we're going to change things up a little bit and do some art ideas. We have 5 easy art ideas that are easy to do with the kids. Don't take very much time, but they're fun, turn out good, and given everything that's going on, it's a good distraction for everybody. We've been doing about 1 activity every day, but we figure we'd give you a few of them to see maybe you can use them and maybe it'll help out, kill some time and make some good fun art. This first one is ASD art, Autism Awareness Day, and so we are doing some puzzle piece art. What you do for this one is you either cut out a shape of a puzzle piece or you get puzzle pieces from a puzzle that you don't use anymore. Take some tape and put it on the paper and paint around it, and what you're left with when you're done is the shape of a puzzle piece, and that's just representative of autism. This next one is balloon art. You can get the small package of these small balloons, or you can use large balloons, and you get some paint and you dip the balloons in the paint after you blow them up and you paint them on the paper. We're using pictures that we printed out for Earth Day. You take the balloons, dip them in the paint, and you spread it over the picture. So we use blue and green paint to paint the Earth, and it's a really simple, easy art project.
I put my balloon.
Got everywhere.
Paint all over it.
There's another quick project. Home Depot's giving away Saturday project things. They're giving them away to take home to do them. And so we got some to do for the kids. And so this one is a helicopter. These are usually pretty simple and pretty fun. And with a little help, even the youngest ones can do it pretty easily. Let's see it. See it work.
See if it flies.
Nope, didn't fly. Nice work, dude. Good job, guys. Flying backwards, goof.
You cute girl.
This next one is rain art. So if it's a rainy day, that's perfect because you can use the rain, or you can just use a hose or a sprinkler. If it's not raining, you'll draw a picture, whatever shape or design or picture that you want, and then you set it out in the rain and let the drops do what they do and kind of spread out the colors and create a lot of different shapes and designs over what you already drew. And it turns out pretty cool. This next one is salt art. This one's pretty cool. You could use paper, but it works a little bit better if you get some paint boards or some paint canvas. You can get a cheap pack from Amazon or anywhere else. You take some glue, we used Elmer's glue, and you spread it over in whatever design that you want. You could do a design, or you could coat the whole thing with glue. And while the glue is still wet, you take salt, table salt, really cheap, and pour it over there, and then dump off any of the excess, and you let it dry. And after it dries, you come back to it and you take watercolor paint, and you get the watercolors really wet, and you just dab the brush on the salt, and it'll absorb the water and spread out over the design, and it'll only cover the areas that were covered with the salt and the glue. So it turns out really cool. You can get them a lot of different colors and a lot of different different shapes and designs depending on how you did the glue, and it turns out pretty cool. So there you have it, 5 easy projects to do with the kids or do yourself. They turn out pretty cool. Have a lot of fun doing them.